Hi everybody, this is Reid Daly. I think I finally made it to the sanctuary. I think it's somewhere. I hope you can see me. I also, on the way down the river, actually when I get out of the river, I found this little cow. Thank God, because I'm going to need a food source, and I want to fatten her up, and I'm going to have some good steaks, good T-bones coming out of her. So you be good. I'm going to eat you. See you later. Hope everybody can see me. So thankful to be here. I am hungry though. It's going to take a while before that cow's ready. Being that it is a sanctuary, they have bird food, which is what's been keeping those guys alive. It's going to keep me alive too. So I'm very thankful to have that. I'm sorry, I'm kind of hungry this morning. It was a long road to get down that river. Heard the message on the shortwave. Went down like they said. Went over the big wave. Heard the birds. Found the cow. So sorry, I made some coffee this morning too. Just hungry, thirsty. Okay, I'm blindfold. Getting real tired of it. Try this again. That's really good. Okay. I can hear the sanctuary. I'm nowhere nearby. Got my fishing line. Don't want to lose you guys. I'm going to make it back. I'll keep a video record of this somehow in case something happens. If I can find this thing. I know it's here somewhere. It's here. Feel it. Twisty up here. There's got to be an entrance somehow. Somewhere. Doesn't appear to be an entrance. I hear you, little buddy. I hear him. I don't know if I can make it in. Got to be at the end of the door. Entryway. Not good. See if I can make it back. Well, I don't know what to say. Once again, this is Reid Daly. I made it to the sanctuary. Whatever's happening, still happening out there. I guess I'm just going to have to wait here until somebody can find me, give me a little direction. I'm gonna go see what I can find. Hopefully, I can make it back to you. Wish everybody out there the best of luck. Hopefully you can find me. Listen for the birds on the sanctuary. My knee. In the name of all things holy, fudge that hurt.